Hey there, I'm John, and I'm at HelloFresh's first ever Climate Superstars Camp. Encouraging kids to fight food waste is so important, so here are 5 friendly tips to help get them involved. So much food can go to waste because we just cook or take too much. Try to take exactly what you need to prevent food from being thrown out. This is why HelloFresh is so great. You get the exact ingredients you need, which means more food on your plate and less food going to waste. This is my leftover from my breakfast yesterday. Today, it's going to be a delicious smoothie. Get creative with your leftovers. Leave nothing to waste. While fruit and veggies can go off within a few days, they last a lot longer in the freezer. Like this broccoli, it can last for months when frozen properly. For anything you can't use, try making a compost bin to throw all your peels and skins. After a little while, it'll make great plant food for your garden. Seeds aren't my favourite part of a tomato, but you can use them to make another. Try to keep your seeds to plant them later. You can even do it with some veggie scraps. Being a climate superstar doesn't have to be hard. Try these tips yourself and you'll be on your way in no time.